Children, let us begin with Standard Grammar, Unit 23, Letter Writing. So children, in this lesson we learn how to write letters. And letters are of two types. One is a formal letter and another is the informal letter. So a formal letter is written in offices or to any officers or someone who is at a greater post. So we say it is a formal letter and it has a different format of writing. And an informal letter is written to a family and friends. So first we begin with a formal letter, and you need to write a letter that you want to join an acting course. So you need to write a letter to the director of an coaching class. So this will be your formal letter. As you can see, this is the format of writing. The first address is of the person who is writing the letter, and then we write the address of the person to whom we are writing the letter. This format is followed for a formal letter. Formal letter, the official letters, correct. So the first address that I am writing the letter would be your name, the address, and the place where you are living and the date. So here it is mentioned as Sushma Bharadwaj, K220, Sector 25B, Noida, and the date is 10 May 2012. And we are writing to the director. So we write the director, Images, Bollywood City, Bulingar. So this is the address of the person to whom we are writing this official letter. And we address the person as Sir, and we put a comma. And then we write what matter we need to tell that person. So the letter starts, I saw your posters about a short course in acting. My summer vacations are going to start soon. I am very fond of acting, so I would like to join your course. Please let me know the last date for paying the fees and when exactly will the course begin so that I can join at the earliest. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Sushma. So at the end we need to thank, and then we need to write yours faithfully in an official formal letter, and then we need to write our name. So this is the format of a formal letter. Now this is another letter which is an informal letter. Now informal letter, as I said, we write in our families or friends. So this letter is about that you need to write a letter to your friend, thanking him for the birthday present or the gift he has sent you. So first, we will write our address towards the left, and that is Shanti Villa, Akeshan Road, Palanpur, and the pin code, which is very important, and we put a full stop, and then we write the date, that is 4th January 2021. After January, we put a comma. And then this is an informal letter, so our friends are very close to us, so we can address that friend as dearest friend Nandu, and you put a comma. This comma is also very important in writing the letter. And then we start, hoping you all are fine there. I have received the dictionary that you sent me as a birthday gift. I am very thankful to you for this nice and useful gift. So this first paragraph, we are just giving the intro about what gift he has sent us, and you are very thankful for that gift. I really needed one and was going to buy shortly, and your gift reached me just in time. I missed you in my birthday party, and I thank you once again for this useful gift. Please convey my regards to your parents and do keep in touch. So again, you mentioned that how useful this dictionary is for you and you wanted it, so you were going to buy it very shortly, and his gift reached you on time. So you are thanking him once again, and convey my regards means you are showing the respect to his parents, and you tell him to keep in touch means to communicate with each other, to keep that communication on. So, and you end with your loving friend, you put a comma, and you can write your name, or you can write even these three alphabets in your letter, that is XYZ. So I hope children you have understood both the formal and informal letter. So again you can write these letters in your English notebook, and you need to learn them for your grammar final exam. So thank you and have a nice day.